talking all about how important nasal breathing is for general health and overall wellness, as well as from a pain and tension standpoint. In videos past, we've talked about the chest breathing or the apical breathing patterns, as well as the belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing patterns. We know that chest breathing patterns will promote more of a fight or flight, that kind of save yourself type response, because it's tied into those last little breaths of air we're trying to get in through our mouth, say if we were chasing a prey or trying to escape it. That's intrinsically tied in with our nervous system in order to protect ourselves. So if we look at nose breathing versus chest breathing, and I want to kind of demonstrate this for you. If I take a couple quick sniffs in through my nose, it automatically triggers my belly to breathe. If I take some quick sips of air through my mouth, it automatically triggers chest breathing. And when we look at kind of the population, the postures that we've been adopting for most of our lives now, that facilitates more of a mouth breathing pattern. And if you think 10,000 breaths a day of mouth breathing, you are tying in more of an upper neck and chest breathing pattern. And that's going to lead to chronic changes. Number one, with that, you're going to end up with dry mouth. You could end up with more cavities, ironically. And the way the air pressure lands, it actually softens more of the palate in your mouth, creating a softer back of your throat, which can promote sleep apnea and snoring, which, when we look down the line, can raise high blood pressure, reduce heart attack or increase heart attack risk, lots of other things in that capacity. So just from that alone, if we can start training ourselves to breathe through our nose, we can tap into our diaphragmatic breathing process and decrease our nervous system tone to more rest and relax, which automatically can be reducing of our tension, can change our breathing habits, can change our anxiety, and feed into better health. Not only is it going to filter the air, which means less viruses, especially this day and age, it means less sickness, and overall it means less nasal congestion because it trains the nasal cavity to be more open and accept air as opposed to your throat. And then that is soft and supple as opposed to the back of the throat. So then you end up with less snoring, you end up with better blood pressure. All sorts of good changes can happen simply from breathing through your nose. So I want to challenge you to do 10 minutes of dedicated nose breathing every single night before you go to bed and see if that changes your general sleep quality, as well as maybe some tension you might be holding around your head, neck, or jaw. As always, if you guys do have questions, you can always get a hold of us. We do have that free discovery visit. Reach out to us, 480-786-4969, or there's going to be a link in the video below. You can get a hold of us, and we can figure out some things to work on for your breathing, or maybe some other things we can do, such as dry needling, cupping, and other techniques. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.